What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Nike Air Max 720 OBJ Canyon Gold Hyper Grape. Without saying anything else, let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Now, in case you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, right? You slide this thing out, open it up, slide it out. Take a look at it. I'm excited. I'm definitely excited. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright, let me put this box away. Let me smell these sneakers first, guys. Excuse me for a second, alright? Oh man, I just love that new smell. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers, okay? As you guys are watching on your phone, on your tablet, on your TV. Alright, let me show you the top of the sneakers. Let me show you the bottom of the sneakers, okay? I'll let you guys know that these sneakers right here, they come with an extra lace, okay? White laces with purple tips. They come in a box with purple laces, alright? Now guys, if you take a look at the bottom of the sneakers, they are 720 bubbles, okay? With the tallest air unit you can have, which gives you maximum comfortability all day, okay? Walk around in it all day, play basketball in it all day, jump all day, it doesn't matter. It's gonna give you the maximum comfortability that you can get. It doesn't get any better than that. These sneakers right here, the Canyon Gold part is made of suede, the white part is made of leather, all right? You take a look at the tongue, it says Nike on it. These sneakers right here are $140 retail price. They're dope, I love it. I definitely will be rocking these. I love the grips on the bottom of the sneaker, okay? If you look at it, there's some grips on the bottom of the sneakers, all right? So that you don't slip, you don't fall. I love it, you know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the dopest sneakers of the year. Air Max 720 OBJs. You guys let me know if this is fire or not, you know what I'm saying? I like it, I think it's dope. I rock it, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm not come to the end of my video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, click that like button. If you're already subscribed, click that like button, share my videos. And until next time, maybe you might have these on. Maybe you might not. Who knows? One easy.